Hey everybody, welcome to TradeScope. My name's Luis Garcia. I'm a part-time trader and this is my weekly recap where I talk about all the stocks that I'm trading and everything on my watch list. So before I get started, I gotta let you know that these videos are for entertainment purposes and educational purposes only and are not meant to be taken as financial advice. Okay, so with that, let's get started. It's gonna be a quick video this week. Only traded 2 stocks this week. First of all, SoundHound AI was my big winner of the week. So the AI trade continues on. It's going to continue to be on my watch list. That includes SoundHound, BBAI, AI. So let's just take a look at some of those other. I'll do that later because I already have the daily chart up for the 5-minute chart up for SoundHound. So just wanted to take a look at this real quick. So they had a price raise, a price target raise. A bunch of analysts came out. A lot of good news for this stock, right? AI is booming right now. I had noticed it kind of going up day after day, and on the 18th, I finally took a trade on it. So the 18th was Wednesday. So Wednesday pre-market, I took a look at SoundHound. It looked pretty good. So I took a trade. I think it was right around $20, somewhere for the break of $20. And I held on to it for the break of 21, I believe it was. It really made it all the way to a high of 24, but I sold it basically here. Let me get the drawing tool out. So basically, I bought it down here. That's not a good color. Let's try this in a bolder line. So I bought it down here and then I sold it somewhere in this area. So 250 shares, a little bit over a buck in profit, maybe almost $1.50. So that was like $320 in profit that I made on this one. And yeah, it was a good trade, in and out. It didn't take long. And yeah, it was nice and easy. So like I said, AI is going to continue to be on my watch list for the next few weeks. And that's kind of my game plan going into the next year as well. So we'll take a look at some other AI stocks. I didn't trade any of these, but again, let's take a look at the daily. BBAI is kind of hanging in there. It's kind of keeping with that trend line. So good things, good things going on with BBAI. To the long side, let's go back to SoundHound. Look at that on the daily real quick. So yeah, you can see great growth, right? Everything's good. Kind of keeping a good trend line going. And let's also take a look at AI. I haven't really traded AI in a while. It's a bit higher priced, higher float, so I don't trade it too much, but I did trade it a while back. I think I did a video on that one. Yeah, it was way back here at some point. As you can see, it's exploded since then, basically really since after the election. But anyways, that's kind of what's going on in AI. So the other trade that I made this week was on My Size Inc. It's a super low float. Let's see if we can get a good chart up. So yeah, really low float. I think I traded it on Friday. I didn't really make much money on it. As you could see, it was very volatile, but it was up. It gapped up here like 350% when I saw it on my scanners that morning. Under 1 million shares in float. So I decided, let me take a stab at this. I had some time that morning, pre-market, so I was taking a look. I think I got in right around 8 o'clock. So let's see if I can get the crosshair out. Try this. That'll work. So yeah, like right around 8 o'clock, I kind of made the trade. I think it was like for the break of $6. Right, and as you can see, it really struggled at $6. This is the $6 mark, and you could just see all this back and forth here. Whoops. So Yeah, I didn't really make a lot of money on it. I think I made like $15 on in 100 share trade. Like I was just kind of like seeing what would happen. You know, maybe it might explode a few bucks out, go parabolic. So, you know, I've been trying to stay away from momentum trades like that these days, just because I don't have the time to keep up with what's going on in the low float market. But, you know, I was staring at the scanner that morning. I had a little bit of time, so I wanted to give it a shot. So I kept my share size very low, because remember, managing risk is always the first thing we want to do as traders. And yeah, so that's kind of what happened. I bought in for a break of 6. I think I sold at like 650 or something like that. Again, the spreads were huge. It was moving really quick, so I didn't even really get good fills. So with 100 shares, I made like 15 cents profit, which came out to $15 profit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the trades that I took this week. Things that continue to be on my watch list are SYM. We'll take a look at what happened with SYM this week. So came back to this level, tested that low. Looks like it kind of held it. Still waiting for it to break back over 30. That's my that is my break even, my cost basis. And really anywhere in this area, I'd be looking to get out just to manage risk. But we'll see what happens with that one. Really nothing interesting. Another one that I'm looking at is DJT, another long-term hold for me. It's good. It got over the 200, right? I'm still looking at this 45 level for profit target. And it's slowly creeping up, right? It's kind of got this good trend line going. So we'll just continue to see what happens. Maybe if I'm going to draw trend lines, I'll get the continuous out. Let's try that again. Continuous. Yeah, so kind of got a little trend line going. So it's still on my watch list. Looking for what will happen with it as we cross into the new year, and as we get closer to the inauguration. The last one on my watch list is FUBO, which, as you guys know, if you've been following me, is the bane of my existence right now. Just kind of staying right in this tight channel. I was thinking about. I didn't do it, but I was thinking about averaging down on my position now that we have confirmation almost of it bouncing off of this channel, right? So came all the way down, tested new lows, got bought up on big volume, right? RSI is pretty low. The MACD is pretty low, so it looks like it's cheap right now. It's a cheap buy. And then, of course, you got this nice buy candle on the last day of trading this week, a big engulfing green candle as it's holding this, as it's holding the support on this trend channel, and it happened on big volume. So potentially another move to the upside. We'll see, but that's pretty much everything on my watch list. Let me know what you guys are trading. Let me know what you think about my trades this week. Feel free to comment. Please like and subscribe if you're watching. And thanks for all the support, guys. I'll see you next week.